Joe, can I cover you and you're gonna go try to get there? Drop your gun though, wait. Ready? Go. Get in here. Get in here. Uh oh. Go.
Already got him.
Yeah. Just hand it to him.
Cool.
Alright, let's go. Wait, can we go out there?
That's why I think we should hide. No, they tried that.
Nope. You good? Run to Joe Sargent. Holy crap. Get down, Kieran. Hit! Back in!
I'll take him.
Oh, sorry. Go. Wait. Right here. Oh, run through the woods.
Alright,
Go. Billy, you got respawn.
Yeah, I know.